Hi guys, this is Nick from technologic.com, and today I'm going to show you the Xiaomi power bank of 10,000 mAh as well as the Ambrain power bank which is 8,000 mAh comparisons.
Techniblogic.com.
So now we come to the Xiaomi one. It feels quite premium while putting in the hand, taking up in the hand, and it is little bit bulky, but according to this segment, which is 10,400 mAh, it is quite light. But when it comes to the Ambrain one, it is quite light, but it feels very cheap kind of plastic they have used. But we can say it is having the two ports, but it is light version also because it is having only 8,000 mAh of battery, whereas Xiaomi is having the 10,000 mAh of battery. When we compare the weight of both the devices, Xiaomi is little bit bulky because of its battery. It is 10,400 mAh, whereas Ambrain one is having 8,000 mAh of battery. And when we come to the bypassing, so let's just check the bypassing whether both the devices support it or not. I just plug the charger in, and as you can see, it is charging. Now I just plug my phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S4, with the cable which I received from Xiaomi, and just plug it out and see whether it support or not. As you can see, it is charging my phone, and I just zoom it out. Make you see my other charger which I am having, the Ambrain one. Now I just connect the charger with the Ambrain one. Now as you can see, it is charging. And it is not charging. I just now plug it out, the charger, and now I just on the charger, and it is charging. It doesn't support the bypassing charging, but the Xiaomi one supports. So according to me, it is value for money to buy it, and you should buy it from Flipkart or any other source you're getting from. And the full review will be coming soon about the battery, how it works, and how much battery life it gives. Xiaomi can bypass the charging as well as it charge the phone as well, but the Ambrain one doesn't. The main issue is that the Xiaomi one is having only one port, whereas the Ambrain one is having two ports, as you can see in the video. So these are the main comparison, and the battery life of Xiaomi is quite better than the Ambrain, maybe because of their battery capacity, and the charging taken by both the devices are almost same. And we come to the height and the overall body finish. As you can see, the Ambrain one is quite large as well as in the height as well as in the width. So, and it's quite cheap also, as I can see. It is more thin, as you can see in the video. So I prefer to buy the Xiaomi one, but I'm using personally right now the Ambrain one. Soon I'll be giving the full review of the Xiaomi one also. So hope you like the video, and do comment and subscribe to our channel, and hope you guys have a good time. Thank you, and do visit our website.